The Galaxy Tab S7 comes with an advanced S Pen for note-taking, navigating your device, and more. To conveniently access various S Pen tools on your tablet, open the Air Command menu by tapping the floating pen icon. From here, you can quickly take a screen capture, annotate, and then save or share. Other Air Command tools include translating text by hovering your S Pen and using your S Pen as a magnifying glass. Here's a neat trick that takes advantage of the S Pen's Bluetooth connectivity. With Air Actions, you can use your S Pen to control your tablet without ever touching the screen. In the Settings app, go to Advanced Features and then S Pen. Here you can see all the available Air Actions and configure how the S Pen behaves in different apps. Once configured, use your S Pen to control your tablet with just a flick of your wrist. Take a screen grab, navigate PowerPoint slides or web pages, snap a photo, and more, all without ever touching your screen.